What is up, guys? If you think getting iPhone level camera quality without spending a fortune is impossible, get ready to have your mind changed today. Because the legend is back. That's right, Nokia is gearing up to drop a phone that isn't just a camera beast, it's here to crush the competition in every single category. We are talking about a monster comeback, featuring a massive 250 megapixel DSLR level camera, and the insane Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And the price? It is going to absolutely shock you. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Nokia Titan Pro Max 5G. Let's dive straight into the details. Features of the Nokia Titan Pro Max 5G. Display. First impressions. This thing screams luxury. You're looking at a massive 6.95-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display. With HDR10 plus support, the colors are vibrant and lifelike. And for my gamers and content lovers out there, listen to this. It's rocking a 144Hz refresh rate, making every animation buttery smooth. Plus, it's built like a tank with Gorilla Glass armor too, and an IP69 rating, so water and dust don't stand a chance. Oh, and it features a seamless in-display fingerprint sensor for that futuristic feel. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the main event, the cameras. On the back, we have a dual lens setup headlined by a mind-blowing 250 megapixel main sensor with OIS. We're talking razor-sharp details and bright, crisp photos even in low light. It's paired with a 32 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. And for the selfie squad, the 50 megapixel front camera is going to give you studio-quality portraits. This isn't just a spec sheet, Nokia is promising a true DSLR experience right in your pocket. Performance. Under the hood, the Titan Pro Max is an absolute beast. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Heavy gaming, hardcore multitasking, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. On the software side, it's running the latest Android 16. It's clean, bloatware-free, and comes with the promise of long-term support. Battery and charging. And the battery life, it's huge. We are looking at a massive 7000 mAh battery. That is easily 2 days of power backup. And when you finally do run low, the 120-watt super fast charging via USB-C will get you back to 100% in just minutes. No more waiting around. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, what's the damage? Reports suggest a starting price of around $850. That is significantly cheaper than the top-tier iPhone or Galaxy Ultra models, for features that are absolutely insane. As for the release, a global launch is happening soon, and yes, we expect this beast to hit the US market very shortly. So, what do you think? Is Nokia back on top with the Titan Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below.